Hi guys, this is Aaron. We're here at Cebu with my cousins at 20 and at Atijean. And we're here at our tour group. I don't know if this is a tour group, but we are 12. I don't know where we're going. Ano yan? Ano yan? Of course, we do have international audience.
Oh my god.
Yes, they're drinking coffee from Belgian Waffle. And there's so many bags. It's only day one. Ayun si Kuya ang aming tour guide, the one in the yellow polo shirt. I hope the audio is clear. So, ano yun? Picture lang, picture. Medyo malayo-layo pala ito guys. Hinihingal na ako. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. Ate Jean, say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Drinking of Belgian Waffle hot chocolate.
Panindigan mo yan ha.
Of course. Kaya ano?
Bigla akong nagka-vlog.
Siyempre.
Panindigan mo
Minsan
yan.
lang to. Oh, there's our van. Yes. Toyota Hiace. I don't know where we're going, but let's see, let's see.
I don't know too, actually.
Hello guys, we're here at hindi ko rin alam.
Ano siya? Siraw Garden. Siraw? It's Siraw Garden.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning po, ma'am. Welcome to Siraw Garden. Shake your later, ma'am. Sir, mango dragon, ma'am. Avocado shake, ma'am. Balik kayo mamaya, ma'am. Saging sweet corn, ma'am. Nilagang mais po.
Ang bansot natin titignan. Magkasag ng tignan. Yung binata.
Ganda ng view dito, guys. Did you look at that?
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Look at the view, it's so good. So hello guys, we are here now at saan ba?
Whose phone are we getting?
Ano yun?
Are we using?
Sige, go.
Ano yun? Toy, ano?
Taoist Temple.
Taoist Temple. Nandito kami ngayon sa Taoist Temple.
What is Taoist Temple?
So Taoist Temple, magre-research pa ako to. Yan. So, ito guys, ayan. Philippine Taoist Temple Incorporation. May incorporation. Ayan.
Open your Bluetooth. Then connect the...
Ano kaya? Temple Korea. Ganda yun. Ay, ang kami saan?
May pagong.
San Diego Ancestral House. So this was built 1675. So 350 years old na ito ngayon. And with that, the house is now considered as one of the oldest existing residential structure in the Philippines. And possibly this is the oldest Chinese house outside of China. Then included also in a book entitled Chinese Houses of Southeast Asia. So original owner, Chinese merchants, family name is Yap. The latest generation married to Filipino family San Diego. So that is why the house known as Yap San Diego Ancestral House. And then recognized by the Department of Tourism. So structure of this house is still 90% original. And all of the artifacts that are here, so these were collections dated way back 16th century down to 1940s, owned by a different generations of family. So the wedding photo here, family portraits, couple frame upstairs. So don't be confused. It's just one family, and that's them now. The present owner, direct descendant San Diego, considered now to be on the 11th generation. So the couple now is 61 and 63 years old already, and then they're gonna be here Saturday and Sunday night because they still stay here every weekend. So the family still uses this house, functional bedroom upstairs. Why? Because they don't want the house to be totally abandoned. So the last time they actually live in here, full-time residence is 2007. They just moved out when they converted this into a museum. 2008, and since then they normally sleep here on weekends. Now this is still privately run and managed by the family. So there's no restrictions about taking photo, video, sitting, or even gently touching on the artifacts. In short, you can do whatever you want, but be careful not to break anything, alright? Even upstairs, you're also allowed to use your phones and cameras. So once again, 1675, so 350 years old now. So it's up to you where to start roaming around. Here, back, garden, upstairs, feel free to explore, okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ang galing.
It's cozy here. I can sleep in this minute right now.
The English yung explanation ng English yun.
Of course, I've been talking English since like in the morning, like when I started this vlog.
Yesterday.
I'm not speaking English yesterday, only today.
With it.
Yeah.
How about tomorrow and
How
the
about
other day?
tomorrow?
We'll see.
We'll see, yeah. We'll try our best. That's what.
Okay, bye. Bakit ka mukha ni Kuya? Mukha yung salita ka nila. Baka kamag-anak ko.
Maybe it's their grandson.
Ganito natin. Pag nakapapalimun ako, nagugulat ako dun.
Dito tayo.
Sabayo ka dyan. Cebu. Oh my God, nakakatakot yung salamin. Oh, yung madre siya. mag-charge. Tulog mong tumulog yun.
I came from Manila. Go here in Cebu just to sleep. Sleep in the airplane, in the vehicle. All I do is sleep. Sleep is important for us to recharge our body, to gain energy, to do some stuff. You know, there's so many students around here.